Hey guys, welcome to another install video. Today we're going to do an installation of our inner grille bracket to suit the N80 GR Sport Hilux. So the installation, this is pretty simple. It'll probably take you upwards of an hour to do the full installation. All you do require is your socket set, so we'll keep it nice and easy for you. All right, so let's get the hood up and we'll get this plastic cover off. Make sure you don't lose your factory clips there. So now we'll pop this off. So in the kit, you'll be provided with two of these. One that is made for each length of the holes in the radiator support. So we'll get these coming from the back inside the hollow out channel, and we'll get them to stick out the front so we can put our nuts on. Once we get those in, the little trick I like to do is I'll grab one of the nuts, the 17mm nuts in the pack, and I'll just thread that slightly so it doesn't drop out of place. We use that as our safety, so then now we can go grab our brackets and get them soldered in. We have both our brackets here. You can see that this one will be on the driver's side and this one will be on the passenger side. Just look at the bolts on the back there, and they will align with the holes in your radiator support. It is quite a fiddly position, so if you've got some long arms, it definitely does help. So once we got that in, it's now loosely fitted. Now we'll just work on the other side, and then once it's all ready, we'll just tighten it up. So now we've done the exact same on the opposite side. It is a little bit more trickier just because the nuts and bolts are a bit closer together, so you don't have a lot of room to wiggle with. But once it's all done, we can now start tightening things up. Don't over tighten it, we'll just hand tighten it to enough before it starts to give, and then we'll get our light bar in. So we'll grab the 17 and we'll just start tightening just by hand until it starts to give. This kit is built for our ST3303 Pro and a 23.3 inch. So we'll grab that and we'll put it into the brackets. So the reason why the brackets are kind of loosely tightened is that so we can just get enough clearance to wiggle the light bar into place. So we'll grab the hardware from the light bar and we'll put it through the hole in the bracket and into the light bar. So everything is all kind of loose. We can always tighten these, but once we adjust the positioning of the light bar to what you're happy with, a nice open stretch of road, you'll be all good. Now that's all that's left is the wiring. So we've got previous tutorials on that. So there's some certain vehicle specific ones that you might need a vehicle specific picking adapter. We'll have all those on our storefront, so you can always hit up that. So there we have it, a nice, simple and easy installation of our inner grille bracket to suit the N80 GR Sport Hilux. If you have any other questions, you can contact our customer support team. To view the rest of our range, head on to our website and don't forget to follow us on our socials.